Money habits of rich people you must copy. If you want to build a path to grand wealth, you must learn and implement the habits that I'll present to you in this video, because they would guide you in your journey to financial freedom. Many of them require discipline and consistency. Money is very elusive, and so you must use it wisely when you have it, to build wealth. Here are the money habits of rich people that you need to copy today. Rich people are disciplined. Rich people are habitually disciplined. You'd find traits of discipline in them even at things that are not pertaining to money. Rich people who built their wealth through genuine hard work are very principled and disciplined. Financial discipline refers to how well you can conform your spending and savings to the plans that you have set to achieve your financial goals. H.L. Hunt, who at a time was the richest self-made billionaire in the world, was once asked by a journalist what his secret of success is. His response: there are only 3 requirements for success. First, decide exactly what it is you want in life. Second, determine the price that you are going to have to pay to get the things you want. And third, and this is the most important, resolve to pay that price. Your financial goals will remain there without efforts to meet them, and this is going to be like a struggle if you are not disciplined. Being disciplined may lead to ignoring temporary pleasure for long-term satisfaction. You can start with baby steps in order to become disciplined by saving $5 each day for a month. Every day you wake up, just put $5 into a jar. Rich people do not try to be up to date with the latest trends. This is another major habit of rich people. You don't need to show or prove that you are as good as other people by getting what they have when you truly cannot afford it. Living beyond your means time and time again eventually catches up to you. Rich people have a focus and they are not intimidated by whatever others are displaying. So much money is wasted on the need to constantly upgrade gadgets to fit into the trend when you cannot comfortably afford such luxury, and this will cost you money and even opportunity. Before you make any purchase, take a look at your lifestyle and your budget, and also what is more important for your personal goals. This is a money habit rich people have that you need to get yourself in line with. Erase the mindset of wanting to impress people with a particular lifestyle when you know well enough that you cannot afford it. Also, if you've seen this video so far, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. Rich people make savings and investing a priority. One money habit of rich people is that they make their money work for them. They know that investing is a key factor in growing their finance. Savings does not necessarily make you rich, but it makes you disciplined in spending, and it is helpful in times of emergencies. Savings and investing are 2 different things, and the biggest difference between them is the level of risk taken. Investing allows you to earn a higher return, but it comes with a higher level of risk, which is why when you invest in something, you should accept some amount of risk, so you should not invest more than you can afford to lose. It is advisable to invest for the long term depending on your risk tolerance, and you could seek expertise when needed. When you are able to keep your money in investments longer, you give yourself more time to ride out the ups and downs of the market. Investment is a major channel of building and accumulating wealth, and every rich person has inculcated this habit because it always gives you something to fall back on, especially in later years. Make savings and investing a top priority today. Rich people make a habit of being well informed. Rich people make it a habit of being well informed, especially about their money and investments. They have a basic understanding of their earnings, what they own, how much their investments costs, what they desire, and how they hope to get what they desire. Investments can get complex at times, which is why you need to have as much information as possible before engaging in one. Before taking any important financial decision, especially those you have very shallow knowledge about, make sure to research as much as possible or get a financial advisor, as the case may be. Listen to the news, research financial opportunities on the internet, subscribe to newsletters on financial intelligence, and read books on financial intelligence too. Read a book on financial intelligence and widen your horizon today. Rich people have that habit. Rich people have multiple streams of income. You cannot get wealthy by a singular source of income. If you take time to study rich people, the majority of them have multiple sources of income and are even looking out to add more and more. Having more than one source of income reduces the risk of you being left without any source of income, because when one source of income drops, you have other sources to keep you going. When you have more than one source of income, even when the unexpected happens, you will be able to sustain yourself through other streams of income. It is easier to create small income producing streams over a large one. You can create income streams based on your interests, talents, and passion. Creating a passive income is easier to start with because it gives you time to focus on your major income. An example of a passive income is writing an ebook, or affiliate marketing. As you create multiple streams of income, avoid the temptation of jumping on several ideas at the same time. Focus on one at a time to achieve maximum results. In fact, it is safe to say that it is in the habit of rich people to perpetually look for multiple streams of income. Rich people live below their means. Living below your means isn't a new thing. People have been living below their means for a long time, but now it is more of a choice to live this way rather than a way to survive out of necessity. These days, people are becoming much more aware of their finances, and realizing the consumption lifestyle of buying everything you want, even if you don't have the money right now, can lead to some pretty scary consequences like debt and bankruptcy when you can't pay that debt off. Learning how to live below your means can help you achieve your financial goals sooner by freeing up more money to put towards debt, savings, and investments. It is an important step in becoming successful at managing your money and being able to make smart financial choices. After all, even if you have what most would consider a comfortable salary, your spending choices are truly what will make or break your financial situation. You could be making $100,000 per year and still be living paycheck to paycheck. These are the financial habits of millionaires that have worked for lots of them and are usually the points raised in discussions about the habits of the wealthy versus poor. Thank you for watching. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel and in the comment section below let us know what you think about this video.